Hello, today we are going to be trying fixing this absolutely beautiful light therapy lamp that got problem with a broken fan, and we are going to be trying replacing it. It is extremely interesting item, and that's because it cost much more than this Motorola equipment, and it is like cure for basically everything. It is supposed to spit out a polarized light, and in my personal opinion, this reminds me very much Les Gold, who was trying to sell graveyard dirt, and he told that you have to believe it.
Graveyard dirt. This has been blessed. This is a cure-all. It's a remedy. If you believe, but you gotta believe.
Gotta believe.
So if you're...
So, yeah, this is kind of item that you have to believe to be working, but we are going to be fixing it. So let's take a look first what's the problem. We've got a power supply that is going to be providing us with 12 volt AC, and we are going to be powering it on. Here we've got the power input. It's called Bioptron, made in Switzerland. Here we've got a power switch, and as you can see, we've got a light, and the light therapy in general, like different colors, is a real thing. But for that one you have to believe, and I'm not sure if you can hear that, but the fan got very unpleasant noise, and I will turn it off because I don't want to overheat the bulb and burn it. And we have to replace it. Here we've got a circular fan. So let's try to open it. Let's begin our disassembly by removing this filter, and it is extremely expensive. I would advise you to check how much does it cost. And here we've got one secure screw. We need a bit with that hole inside, and this one will fit, so we are undoing it just like that. And now we need to somehow disassemble it. Most likely we need a pry tool, so maybe let's try with this one. Here looks like we've got some sort of clip. The very important part is not to damage it. Here we've got a one clip, and let's try to go. I hope I didn't break anything already. I'm doing it for a first time. Now we can see those elements. So if we go like this, we can nicely unclip them. I will present you them afterward because I'm doing it for a first time. So here we've got, and as you can see, it go nicely open, and this is what you've got inside. So more expensive than Motorola, and we've got a like a regular halogen bulb, some sort of filter. Here we've got a driving circuit, take a look at this, most likely with some sort of timer or maybe a temp alarm, because we've got a buzzer. And here is our fan that we need to find a replacement for. So it is pretty straightforward. Let's take a look here. 12 volt, 0.6 watt, and those numbers are dimension. Let me try to find a replacement, and I can feel that the bearing is bad, so we need a new one. Here I've got a replacement. It's got a little bit different color of the label, but looks exactly the same, and we've got the same wattage. So it go that way. Let's see if the wire will be long enough. Yes. So let's try to undo it. So here our fan goes. We need to desolder this. And this is what I would like to see, so I can nicely work. And I've got free hand, so we go like this. We grab a little bit of solder. And just tell me how does it present, because in my personal opinion, we've got absolutely beautiful job. And let's try to put everything back. Here is our on-off switch. This board needs to go like this. Our fan goes here in that spot. And prior to closing it down, let's check how the fan is working. So we are turning it on. We've got our light, we've got our fan. Fan is basically silent, so we did a great job. And we can try to close it down. And here you can see those clips. So we've got one here, second here, 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 and there. On the bottom, you've got clip here, right next to the switch, and in that location. So if you've got something like this and you manage to push it, then it's going to be looking great. And just take a look, we managed to not damage the enclosure. We put our screw and we close it down. Okay. We connect power here. We turn the light, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. We add our filter, and we are ready to start our session. So as you were able to see, this extremely quick repair job make this device great again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.